guys? How y'all been? Thank you for tuning in. I got a surprise for y'all today. I know I've been out of the mix a little bit. I've been trying to take care of family and do all that blah blah blah, whatever all that craziness is going on out there. But check this out. I got this box, came in from Brazil. Special order, yo. It's just fucking out of control. Let's see what we got. Oh boy, let's see where I can set you at, eh? All my stuff is. Oh, I got it, dude. I got this. Got the pans welded in. You know. There we go. We're in it now. Got the pans welded in. I'm doing this one-handed. Cut my wrist and die. Let's see what we got here. These are the sickest, the illest. Y'all seen that sticker, right? The illest. Yeah, let's see what we got. We got the recycle going on. I like it. I like it. The recycle. Recycle. Let's see what we got. We got some padding. I like that. That's cool. This is the whole jam. The whole jam. Oh man. Hold on. I'm gonna set you over here, guys. I'll set you right over here somewhere. All right, check it. Check it. 1, 2, check. Check. Yeah, the bag. The crazy bag. They even got their own like labeled packing material. I mean, look at that. They got their own tape. It's like, yeah, their own tape. Maybe it looks like a bag. Might be part of the bubble wrap bag. Some high tech. Uh oh, I got a sticker. I got a sticker. Check that out. Some people don't give you stickers. Some people don't give you instructions. We ain't talking. We're moving on. We're on the good foot. You know what I'm saying? Got a sticker and instructions. Out of sight. Dynamite. What we got here? On the 1s and the 2s, and dropping on the 3s. Some pedals. This is what you get, guys. This is what I'll be sending you, actually. You get all your pedals, your little plate, your doodad hammer hong with the support jammer on there, the adjustable screw hobs. The screw hobs are fucking sick. Your own custom distance, so you can adjust all that jammers on the 1s and the 2s. 1s and the 2s. Come on. Vacuum sealed in the bag. That's pretty fucking legit to me. I don't know. Call me fucking strange, awkward, or weird, or stupid. I could be stoned. You never know. I mean, but look at this. This is just ridiculously nice. That looks professional. Yeah, this is fucking fire, dude. Way better than some glorified stock pedals. Anybody can send your pedals off to get powder coated with some drills with a little. Let's drill it out. I mean, that's a little imagination, but come on. You gotta think out of the box. You know what I'm saying? You want your shit to be noticed, recognized. Oh, did you see the pedals in that guy's car? Those were sick. While you're walking back to the car, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. But anyways, back to the fact of the matter. Yeah, I'm fucking stoked. These things are badass, dude. For real, goosebumps for days. Smiles for miles. That's what I'm talking about, folks. Smiles for miles. But yeah, that's it. I just want to do a little update. Oh, check out the pan. I've been cleaning it up. Gotten a little rotisserie jam for the switch around. You know, pans welded in. Scraped all that flim flam off, osfoed it, sanded that, prepped that 20 times. Same with the front. Little turn the light. Did same thing under here too. Beat that dent out from the VW tow bar. You guys know, you go up the driveway or whatever and Shazam, shit's all blasted. But yeah, I got 2 tires mounted, my wheels over there in the corner. I've been doing stuff, making moves, you know. But the pedals are fucking, what's up? Like what? I got fucking instructions, dude. What's that about? That's out of control. Printed on a piece of paper, look at that. And a sticker. I'm just flabbergasted. I'm just over the bridge in the moon. But alright guys, deuces. Pedals are sick. Comments below, hit me up if y'all want some. You can email me, whatever. Hit me up. Yeah. Deuces.